behalf of Southwest Airlines and your entire flight crew, we'd like to welcome you to Chicago Midway. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, your seatbelt and tray table with a full upright low position, your carry-on items completely stowed underneath the seat in front of you. Once the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items may have shifted and could fall out. You may now use the cellular functions of your small portable electronic devices. However, please remain seated and keep those carry-ons stowed. Please be advised, the front and back doors will be open during ground servicing. To your safety, please keep you and any children you're supervising clear of the front and back doors. If you're making a connection here in Chicago, please check the airport monitors in the terminal for the most up-to-date flight status and gate information. If this